The Monticello Lakes Resort Association welcomes you to an overview of the Black Dog Inn located on beautiful Lake Schaefer in Monticello, Indiana. Imagine a vacation where rest and relaxation coexist with fun and excitement. Enjoy this and more at the Black Dog Inn. The first vista you'll encounter when approaching the Black Dog Inn is a large front porch with wickered furniture. It's the perfect atmosphere for reflecting on the serenity of the day. Later, you'll sleep in comfort on a queen or king-size bed and awake to the aroma of fresh brewed coffee. With 6 elegant rooms featuring antique furnishings, wood plank pine floors, and private baths, the Black Dog Inn will take you back in time to the luxury of vacations remembered. Enjoy boating, outdoor grilling, or an evening around the pit fire. Plus, it's just a short walk to the Indiana Beach Amusement Park. Savor the best of all worlds when you make your vacation plans with the Black Dog Inn. The Black Dog Inn is also the perfect place to plan a birthday party, a reunion, wedding reception, or an anniversary celebration. The Black Dog Inn will put a smile on everyone's face. Now, let's take a few moments to review some of the sights and attractions of the lakes area. The Black Dog Inn is an ideal choice for your vacation plans. Reservations can be made by calling 574-583-8297. Visit their website at www.blackdoginn.webs.com. They are located at 2390 Untalalti Drive in Monticello.